Hello and welcome to REGO-FIX TechChat. My name is David McHenry. I am the Engineering and Technical Manager here at REGO-FIX USA. Today, let's talk about coolant options, specifically ER11 coolant options. Up until recently, the only option you really had was an ER11 metallic sealed collet. Now, REGO-FIX has a great offering in these in metric and inch sizes, but we came out with something called the ER11 Recool about 2 years ago. The ER11 Recool uses a special ER11 sealing disc that was designed for the Recool system, and it's been a very good success. So successful that the request came out that we develop an ER11 product line for sealing disc and coolant flush disc. Well, here it is. It is now available for metric and inch sizes in the small mini nut styles and also the hex nut style. It assembles the exact same way as the standard sealing disc, with the exception that you have to have a little tool to help press it in. So let's take a look at how to assemble one. Here we have a basic assembly for an ER11 MX mini coolant nut. So I have the nut, I have the sealing disc, the corresponding wrench to fit the nut, and I am using a small tool to help me press the disc into the nut. Simply take the disc, slide it over top of my pressing tool. I can then take the nut and I snap it into place. I'm now ready to use this nut on any ER11 mini assembly. To remove the disc, I simply just have to press it right back out. And now I'm ready to change disc, change tools, or change my assembly. That is how easy it is to use the ER11 coolant disc system. My name is David McHenry. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this today. Look forward to seeing you again.